freak it out. Changes always need some extra time. Soon you'll be able to fly, but right now enjoy that you have. Sun is bright and shine, rain when it's so fine. Cell phone ring and chime. Your amazing friends, family and pets, when you to slow down. Live your life. Can't you see? Everything around is so on stream. Soon your wishes make you free, but right now enjoy that you have. Sun is bright and shine, rain when it's so fine. Cell phone ring and chime. Your amazing friends, family and pets, when you to slow down. Live your life.
One day I woke up, realized that I should be a dancer. Never done it in my life, but who cares? I can feel the energies flowing right through my veins. Used to be so shy, never questioned why. As a snail, I lived in my own shell, lived in my own shell. Then I saw this thing on the internet. It told me to dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal and you good to go. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal and you good to go. I think I got it. Easy as the brush of the shyness. It's my time to shine, I've got the moves now. Time to show the world what I can do, show what I can do. Get on a dance floor, eyes on me cause I am like a god. Wow, everyone's in shock, they wanna know how I do it so well, they wanna learn only from my past. Like a hero, I am the center of attention, and the ladies all want to be with me. All that I can say, there is just one way. You have to dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal and you good to go. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal and you good to
There's no time to cry. Gotta live my life. At this time, gotta try. Yeah, you know why. Do you know why? 'Cause life can be fun, life can be tough. At the end of the day, there's only one way. Life is life.
don't freak it out. Changes always need some extra time. Soon you'll be able to